Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the main control board in the GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new main control board. The main control board collects data from various sensors and switches and operates all of the major functions of the refrigerator. It's located on the back of the refrigerator behind the cover plate. If one or more of the refrigerator functions are not operating properly, check the main control board and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove this cover. I'm using a 4-inch nut driver and I'm going to take out 2 screws at the bottom and we're going to remove the cover. Be careful because cover has a tendency of falling down right after you take this screw. Don't be paralyzed by the amount of these plugs here. Just take a picture. Now we're going to remove all the connectors one by one. Okay, so now we're going to pull on this side. So there's 2 locking pins up and down there. And then we can remove the board. This is the old main control board next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. As you can see, the control boards look different. But don't worry, just use the plugs that you need to use and ignore the rest ones. So we can install the new control board. The right side of the control board will be slid under these 2 pins, and 3 pins will go through the holes in the control board. And then I'm going to press down on this tab here, the locking tab, so we can fix the board in the position. All right, now I'm going to plug all these plugs back into the control board. If you are not sure, you can always refer to the picture we took earlier. And I'm going to start plugging it in. The good part is that all the harnesses are kind of fixed length and you cannot miss the right plug. Just make sure that you plug them all the way and that they are locked in a position. So now I'm going to install the cover on. That 3 tabs on the top would be over the cover. And we're going to match the bottom holes. And using a 4-inch nut driver, I'm going to secure it with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.